Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get this video started, if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you like the video, smash that thumbs up button. Also share the video. Now, in this video, we got a Dodge Hemi out of a Ram 2500. And are you having check engine light on, saying the crank sensor is bad or not registering properly, saying crank sensor A not detected? In this video, I'm going to show you where it's located on a Hemi. I said it's a Hemi 5.7 2500. It's located under the passenger side of the vehicle. You got to jack it up in here, passenger side, get up underneath of it on the passenger side of the block. Got this one already up in the air. Get down underneath here for you all. Alright guys, we're up underneath this Ram. Rusty motherfucker. That's how Rams are. Also guys, if you have an issue doing the shocks on a Dodge Ram because that bolt in there from the factory breaks off, check out my channel. I got a video on how to fix that. Need to do a video on how to do the U-joints. Look at these U-joints on this thing. But customer's vehicle, they'll bring it back to me. We'll do it at a later date. So when you get underneath the vehicle and you're on the back, obviously looking at the front from the back, it's located on the passenger side. Like I said, you went underneath it on the passenger side behind the wheel. Rotate around here. Now here's the exhaust going back to the transmission. You're on the passenger side. Here's your tranny cooler lines, located right above your tranny cooler lines. There's your crank excuse me. There's your crankshaft position sensor on a Hemi. It's located right here on the passenger side, right at the end of the transmission by the bell housing. Two things that hold it in. One is the clip. Press the little clip, pull the plug out, undo the sensor with a 10mm. That's where your crankshaft position sensor is located on a Hemi. Hopefully y'all found this video useful. If you did, please smash that thumbs up button, guys. Also, if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Y'all have a great day.